Welcome to Veena classes. Here again we are with the second set of MCQs. This is related to chapter 2 from book 1. Now the very first question that comes up here, which continent has the highest growth rate of population? So certain alternatives are given below. A. Asia, B. Africa, C. Europe and D. Australia. Out of these, B is the one where we find that it has highest growth rate of population. So answer is B. Then we move to next question. The question is there, which one of the following is not an area of the sparse population? I mean the place where population is very less and well scattered. So let us all see here. The Atacama, of course, it has a sparse population. Equatorial region, this too has sparse population. Southeast Asia, it does not have. It has dense population rather. And then D, again it has sparse population. So out of these, C is the answer. So it comes up like this. Then we come to next question. The question is, which of the following is not a push factor? Push factor means where the situations are very negative and then people don't tend to be there. They rather try to move out from that region. So let us all assess. Alternative A, water shortage. Of course, this is push factor. B, unemployment, again push factor. C, medical / educational facilities. This is not push factor. This is rather pull factor. And then D is epidemics. This one is also push factor. So out of all these, C is the answer. So this is the answer. Now we move on to next question again. The question number 4, which one of the following is not a fact? So we'll have to go through the statement and we'll have to weigh it. We'll have to assess whether this is correct or incorrect. So let us all see here. First alternative A, human population increased more than 10 times during the past 500 years. This is correct. I mean the statement is correct. But in fact we have to find out the incorrect statement from here. Then next B, nearly 80 million people are added to the total population each year. This is also the fact. C, it took 100 years for the population to rise from 5 billions to 6 billions. This is not the fact. Rather, it took 100 years to rise from which status, like 5 billions to 12 billions. It means this is not the fact. And then D is population growth is high in second stage of demographic transition theory. This is also the fact. It means which one is the answer? This C is the answer. C is the answer, which is not the fact. So it's chosen here. Now the next question, that is, Asia has many places where people are few and few places where people are very many. So this statement was given by one of the geographers out here. Let's all see who is the one. A option, George B. Cressy, B. G. Taylor, C. P. Dorr, D. Bow. So out of all these 4, A is the one. This is perfect answer. So it's been chosen. Now the next question is here. July 11 is celebrated as, and then certain alternatives. A, No Tobacco Day. B, the World Population Day. C, the World Environment Day. D, the World Health Day. Out of these then, B is the answer. The World Population Day. So it's been chosen from here. The next question, which element is not a part of environment? I mean nature related. So let's all see here, analyze. A option, climate, environment related. B, relief, this is also environment related. C is agriculture, this is not environment related, this is man related activity. And D is again environment related. So which one is the answer? Of course the answer is this C, agriculture. Yes. Now we move on to the next question. Question is question number 8, the third most populous nation in the world. So certain options are given. A, Nigeria. B, Japan. C, China. D, USA. So out of all these, D is the one which is chosen for this question. So this is perfect answer. Now question number 9, as the question goes, by the 2025 AD, the world population will be, and then some options are here. So A, 6.8 billion, B, 8 billion, C, 6 billion, D, 8.6 billion. So the chosen answer is 8.6 billion. This is the correct answer. Yes, now onto the screen, as you are finding question number 10, the question goes like this: the crude birth rate is close in meaning to which of the following terms? So here are some of the alternatives given. A, mortality. B, fertility. C, migration. And D, none. So out of these, this B is the perfect answer, correct answer. So it's been chosen from here. Question number 11. Now migrants who move out of a place are called. Then alternatives: A, immigrants. B, immigrants. C, foreigners. D, none. So this answer is A. It's been chosen. Now the next question: migrants who move into a new place are called. Then options: A, immigrants. B, NRI. C, immigrants. D, none. So this C is the answer. Then we come to question number 13. Change of population in particular area between 2 points of time is known as. So here are some of the alternatives, 4 alternatives shown here. A, growth of population. B, population growth rate. C, positive growth of population. D, negative growth of population. Out of all these, then A is the answer. So it's been ticked from here. Then we move on to the next question, that is question number 14. Population increase by difference between birth and death in a particular region between 2 points of time is known as. So we have to choose from here one of the alternatives. So A, that is natural growth of population. B, population growth rate. C, positive growth rate of population. D, negative growth of population. Out of all these, this A, the alternative, is correct. It's been picked up from here. Then the next question, question number 15, the change of population expressed in percentage. The correct answer out of all these alternatives, the alternatives are like A, growth of population. B, population growth rate. C, positive growth of population. D, negative growth of population. Out of all these, B is the correct answer. So it's been picked up. Yes. Now let's move on to question number 16. This happens when the birth rate is more than the death rate between 2 points of time, or when people from other country migrate permanently to a region. So then let's analyze all 4 alternatives here. I am reading out for your convenience. A, natural growth rate of population. B, population growth rate. C, positive growth of population. D, negative growth of population. Out of these, then this C is the correct answer. It's been picked up. So then, next question, question number 17. If the population changes between 2 points of time, it occurs when birth rate falls below the death rate or people migrate to other countries. So then, let's analyze all these alternatives. A. Natural growth rate of population. B. Population growth rate. C. Positive growth of population. And D is negative growth of population. So here it's been picked up. The D is the correct answer. It's been picked up. All others discarded. Next question. What was the world population in the beginning of 21st century? So in the beginning of 21st century, the population that might have been there, it's been put up here as alternatives. Let's pick up the correct one. A. More than 5 billion. B. More than 6 billion. C. More than 7 billion. D. More than 8 billion. So out of all these, B is the correct answer. It's been picked up. Yes. Next question. In which of the continent maximum 10 most populous countries of the world are located? So here are the options. A. Africa. B. Europe. C. North America. D. Asia. Remember, Asia is the most populous continent in the world. So it's been picked up. It's this continent where 10 most populous countries of the world they are found. Next, question number 20. What percent of world's total population lives on its 10% land area? So the alternatives are given here. A. 10%, B. 90%, C. 80%, D. 70%. Answer is B, that is 90%. I mean, over a very small area, many more people they are living in, they are inhabiting. So this is the thing. Now, next question, question number 21. Which form of migration is least seen? So people would be migrating from one place to another for comforts, for better facilities. And these are 4 streams shown here, streams of migration, out of which we have to pick up the correct one. A. Rural to rural. B. Urban to urban. C. Urban to rural. And D. Rural to urban. So into which one the list of migration is there? Of course, list of migration is there, that is urban to rural, where least people would be migrating. Next question, question number 22. How many times has the world's population increased in 20th century only? How many times? So out of all these options, option A 8 times, B 6 times, C 3 times, D 4 times. So this is D, that is 4 times. It's been picked up from here. Now question number 23rd. How many people get added to world's population every year? So the options are given here. A 80 million, B 60 million, C 1 billion, D 4 million. Out of these, this option A is correct. Next, we come to 24th question number, that is which are the components of population change? So A. birth rate, B. death rate, C. migration, D. all of these. Yes, all of these. So it means the answer is D. It's been picked up. Then the last question number, that is which of the following is not one of the most populous countries? So let us all analyze. A. India, B. China, C. Norway, D. Brazil. So of course out of all these, it's Norway which doesn't have the status of having most populous country in the world or having very largest population in the world. So it's been picked up from here. This is Norway. So like that, we'll keep on serving you with many more sets of MCQs and other things also. But one request, keep liking, keep sharing, and just be a part of this family. Subscribe the channel. That's it. Thank you.